If you want to link your old reel to your new reel on Instagram by using iPhone, I show you. For now I'm using iPhone 17, but pretty much same process for all the models. Head to the app and just click your profile and you just open the reel. I just open this one and click the three dots. Now you can see this option, link a reel. In case haven't you see this option, you just update the Instagram app, then you can see the same. Click that. Now we have this option. We can select a reel, link a reel from our older reel videos. I just have one, so that's why it shows one reel. Select and you can give a title. I just type test one, something like that, and OK. Here you can see, if anyone open this reel, they can, after watch this reel, they can able to watch your linked reel. If they click this, it will open up their linked reel. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about Instagram, you need to watch this playlist.